Yo guys, it's Max Austin here with my first video. Today I'm going to be doing a restoration on these Kyrie 3s. My friend went paintballing in these and they just turned to crap, so I'm going to be seeing what I can do with them. But first, we have to fill up this water bowl with some Rejuvenator. We're ready to go. Right now, I'm starting off with the suede brush because the soft bristles will help clean the surface dirt, and then I'm going to be getting into a little bit of a harder brush. So yeah. Moving on, I'm going to be using a bit of a harder brush on the upper just to get more of that deep cleaning. Now that the uppers are looking nice, I'm going to be moving on to the midsole with the sole brush, and I'll get back to you when I'm done. Now that that's all done, I'm going to be moving out onto the outsole. Now I'm just using the suede brush just to get a little bit of surface dirt off. Now that I've got all the dirt off I can possibly do, I'm gonna be going into the sink and rinsing them off. Now that the laces are clean and on the shoe, I'm just gonna be doing some final touch-ups with this paintbrush and a cleaning brush. For the last, but most definitely not least thing, I'm going to be applying this finisher because it's getting kind of dull. The shoes are complete, check them out. Yo guys, Max Austin here. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, please go down and like it and subscribe. Hope you have a wonderful day. Peace!